Laban lang. 2 years na lang na. 2 years. Tanawan ninyo, look, the midterm elections, they never won. They want to, give you the perception of that they're still standing, there, but wala na, they're crumbling. Every day, they're deteriorating. Because most often, the things that you do, lalo na sinimulan mo sa mga pangit na bagay, it will most likely end up, in pangit din. So, ito si PRD, may sinimulan siyang magandang bagay. Something that we can, nurture and take care of and make it grow. Pwede natin pagandahin. Murag tanom ba? Mura na siya gliso nga gitanom nimo. Murag ka ng mangga sa inyong likod, ka ng lubi. It's only a seed that He planted in all of us. Na pwede na to i-nurture, take care of it, and someday it will grow into a tree and immortalize His legacy as President of this country.